Reese's is always the go-to.
Yeah, if she tells me something and I forget, I'm like, yeah. No, she loves Reese's.
They're just cats, is what I said. They're not going there. They live here.
I'm just gonna write on my hand for a memento.
Because they're not used to you yet. You're somebody new.
You got some money?
Do all these people live here?
Might be, but
See, they know the
Mom
better.
has money that you don't
That
know
guy,
about.
his name's Graham.
Just because she ain't got cash in
That guy's
hand.
name's Eric. Have you seen that thing that said Eric?
Do you know what a bank is? That's what it says.
Yeah, you did. Remember the sign you saw? And you said, hey, there's a sign that says Eric. Remember that? In the kitchen?
Dude, my sister's gonna hate
At Karen's?
She's over there sleeping and I'm just fucking.
That's that guy's name right there.
What's up?
That's probably used to be his. That little Iowa license plate thing has Eric on it. He saw it and was wondering about it.
Yeah.
Is that all we need is charcoal and smokes? Is that all I need?
No.
I can't believe the fucking pack of Marlboros out there is $5.
Oh, that's cheap.
$7.40 something
Yeah.
up and where I'm
Down in
at.
Kansas,
That's
there's
what
seven.
there's seven-
40 something.
There's seven.
I seen them when I was there. I was like, holy shit, $5.45 for a pack of Marlboros?
Yeah, Marlboros and Seneca are $7.18. Cause I pay cause he always gives me like $10 and he buys my drink, and my drink's $108 and it always comes to $8.30 or $8.26. His cigarettes are $7.18. Some shit like that, I can't remember. But yeah, they're ridiculous. That's why I don't understand. Why don't people out here smoke? Why don't you guys smoke Senecas?
Oh, I hate them.
Oh, well then that's a fucking good reason. He's never told me that part.
Yep, I hate them.
Do you like natives?
They're okay.
Natives are about the same price.
Hey, come here, Brandon.
And I live right next fucking door to
I
it.
do.
Because you weren't
Yeah, I
looking.
buy cigarettes for almost every. I just went last night and picked up
Just
five cartons
sec-
for one
just sec-
coworker. Took the guy with me so he could get one, and I got a carton.
Do you want the cat?
I bought Tony a pack.
Well, then get it from me.
Rucker, I bought him a pack twice. Tony bought the same thing that Rucker bought, which is.
Hey, let it go.
If you guys ever want
Let
them,
it
I can
go.
get them there. They got natives.
I'll
and
catch
Senecas.
it.
I don't know if
Well, you gotta grab it from me.
I am.
You gotta pull.
Don't get mad at me.
Nuh-uh.
Strike me.
It's a nice
He
cat.
was just doing it.
See, look. It's a crazy cat.
He's mad at
Come on, pull.
Oh, I don't. Thanks, just me and you.
Yeah, I gave him money, Gravy.
Trying to pull out of your hands because you're gripping him.
You ain't seen him on a pack of cigarettes.
It's just cats.
We need to take mine that way. I don't like where I'm.
We're not gonna go anywhere.
Make sure my shit.
Buy them,
Hey, watch out for that.
buy them up there, and
We can find them. Why are you not letting me play any video games? You use Eric.
Brandon.
What?
That's Willie.
You gonna go grab
Willie?
popcorn on there real quick?
Not, I can't
Mom, is this yours?
Nice day.
What?
Mom's losing all sorts of stuff.
Leave me alone, mother.
Really?
Come on, pull the cat and you can play the game.
Cupboards are big.
I
So
am.
you know, Fit.
Pull harder.
You'll get mad at me.
Nuh-uh. See?
Where's Alice
It's
at?
not bad.
Do it again. She come harder.